channel. My name is Carmela and today we're going to do the zucchini ripieni di carne, courgettes stuffed with mincemeat. For our recipe we'll need courgette. This is about half a kilogram worth of courgette. The bigger it is, the easier it will be then to cut and actually scoop it. However, smaller courgettes will just do the same. And we'll have two lots of ingredients. One for the sauce, which is onions, celery and carrots with olive oil and tomatoes and some basil and salt, obviously, to season. And that will be the sauce to lay our courgettes in. And then for the stuffing, we've got the mincemeat, eggs, onions, white wine, cheese, breadcrumbs, mozzarella, salt and pepper to season. To start with, we do the sauce and then we proceed with the courgettes. For the sauce, we chop finely the onions, carrots and celery. You can use a food processor or just do it by hand if you like chopping. We put in a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Once it's warm, we do our Italian soffritto. We let it brown, then we add the tomatoes and the salt, and then we let it cook for 20 minutes. So this is nearly ready. When the vegetables detach from the side and they look sort of golden, that's when you'll add the tomatoes. It's now ready to have the sauce. You'll add the basil with it. And you put some salt and then we leave it to actually cook. While the sauce is cooking, we can prepare the courgette. So we washed it and then we cut the top and bottom. We need to, I would say for this size you can make 4 portions, that's why the recipe is for 4. And so you cut it in half and then in half again. So we'll end up with some boat-shaped courgettes. So you scoop the flesh out and make sure that you don't pierce all the way down or cut all of the courgettes, otherwise you have to change. It won't work as a boat. So if you do it a bit at a time, normally if you can cut it at the side going inwards and trying to meet in the middle, but as I say, just go okay. Being scooped, I put a pinch of salt in each one of them and I put them in the oven for about 10 minutes and let them cook for a bit, and also some of the water will evaporate. We'll have a tablespoon of sunflower oil in the frying pan and we can fry our courgettes. Courgettes are cooking, we can start preparing the stuffing. So we're going to make the 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and some pepper. We'll beat it a bit. I've grated some Parmesan cheese. Half of it will go into the mixture, the other half we keep it to sprinkle on the top. We add the cheese and the breadcrumbs. I got some homemade bread and I just put it into the food processor so to make some very rough crumbs. I put a tablespoon of milk to soften a bit, and you can add this to the mixture. Meanwhile, I think the courgettes are golden now. As you can see, we're going to put them aside. And in the same pan we can now put the, because there's still some oil in it, we're going to put the onions and let them brown. We're ready to add the meat now. We're ready now to add some wine. And let it evaporate. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper to taste. And we're ready to also add the courgettes in that we've previously cooked. And we're going to add the eggs. So we'll just mix it as if it was scrambled egg. So we remove the courgettes from the oven. We're going to pop them aside and put a layer of tomato sauce into the base. And the dish. Then we lay the courgettes in. Parallel. And then we're going to fill them in with the stuffing. Now the courgettes have been all stuffed, we're going to grate some more cheese on the top. Courgettes are ready now, so it's ready to be served. I picked some fresh lettuce, I just laid them there to make it easy. You can have chips or other vegetables to serve with, and we're going to plate them. Looking lovely. They smell delicious. And a fresh leaf of basil, and the plate is done. And bon appetit! If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. For now, ciao! Now that the zucchini have been scooped, you just put a pinch of salt in each one of them, and then I pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes to start them cook, and also they release some of the water. So I'm going to put a pinch of salt in each one of those aubergines. So you put a pinch of salt. Now that the courgettes have been scooped,